Alright, in this video we're going to solve for a shorter side. Instead of solving for the hypotenuse, we're going to use the Pythagoras Theorem to solve for a unknown part of the initial question, and we'll just solve it using a very simple method. So for A, we remember that Pythagoras Theorem is equal to c squared, so c squared equals a squared plus b squared. In this case, each one of us has already been given c squared. We already have what c is, sorry. So c is equal to 29. So 29 squared is equal to 21 squared plus a squared. Now, in this particular formula, all we need to do is make a the subject. And in order to do this, if we take away 21 squared from both sides, we can rewrite this as a squared is equal to 29 squared minus 21 squared. And this is going to be our basic formula. So whenever we want to find the shorter side, squared, which is going to be a squared, we just need to take away the hypotenuse squared. So hypotenuse squared minus the given side squared. Okay? It's super easy to think about. If I take away 21 squared and I add 21 squared, then this becomes 0 and I'm left with a squared. On the left hand side, I'm left with 29 squared minus 21 squared. But we can skip a lot of our moving of algebraic terms if we just remember that our unknown short side is going to be squared is going to be equal to the hypotenuse squared minus our other side squared. Right, that means that a is going to be equal to the square root of 29 squared minus 21 squared, and you can put that straight into your calculator. So a will be equal to the square root of 29 squared minus 21 squared. Then just hit execute and the answer is equal to 20. So a is equal to 20. If we look at B, we can set this up in exactly the same way. So our hypotenuse is 26. So 26 squared is equal to a squared plus 10 squared. So we can rearrange this entire thing as a squared will be equal to our hypotenuse squared minus our remaining side squared. So a will be equal to the square root of 26 squared minus 10 squared. So a is equal to, put that in your calculator, 26 squared minus 10 squared. Alright, and that equals 24. If I look at C, I know that my hypotenuse is 37. So 37 squared is equal to a squared plus 12 squared. That means that a squared is going to be equal to our hypotenuse, 37 squared, minus our remaining side squared, which means a is going to be equal to the square root of 37 squared minus 12 squared. So a is equal to the square root of 37 squared minus 12 squared. 35. Alright, lastly we have D. So for D our hypotenuse is 25, so 25 squared is equal to a squared plus 24 squared. And if we rearrange this by taking away 24 squared from both sides, we end up with a squared is equal to our hypotenuse squared minus our given side squared. That means a will be equal to the square root of 25 squared minus 24 squared. Just remember, don't take away the two squares. What you need to do is solve this particular question first. So do 25 squared minus 24 squared and then take the square root of the answer if you're doing this by yourself without a calculator. Alright, we end up with 7. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.